Come in store with me to check out the new amazing Costco deals. There's a few laptops and computers on sale. This 14-inch Dell Inspire 1 laptop Intel is on sale, $8.99. There's $200 off, so you can get this for $6.99. And Dell is a product that I've been buying for years, so I highly recommend them. This Dell is 16-inch, and it goes for $12.99, but there's a significant savings, bringing it down to $9.99. So a little bit bigger, a little more features, but still lightweight and compact. And then this Lenovo Flex, it's a 14-inch, 2-in-1 laptop. It's on sale from $9.99 down to $7.49. This is another slim laptop. It's got a grayish bluish color to it, and it's very thin and easy to carry. And then this is a great deal for a good price. This Hewlett Packard 16 gigabyte, 1 terabyte, and SSD card. It's $5.99 after the $200 rebate. It's an all-in-one desktop with a 23.8 touchscreen, and you don't have to worry about having a monitor and a computer. It's all in one. It's nice and slim, and it's neat, and it's a great price. This is the Shark Cordless Pro Vacuum with CleanSense IQ. It's $219 after the $60 rebate. It's very lightweight, very similar to the Dyson, but sometimes you're brand sensitive and people like the Shark better. And you could take advantage of the $60 instant savings. This is a really robust package. It's a Bronze Series 9 sports shaver with clean and charge system. It's $149.99 after the $50 instant savings. This is a really nice fan by Shark, and I'm glad they had it on display because it doesn't really do justice just being in the box. It's a FlexBreeze cordless fan, and you can actually shrink it down to be a tabletop fan. It's $119 after the $30 savings. So if you're in the market for a fan, this is definitely one to consider. So this is a really nice cookware set. And what I love here is, see that spaghetti pot? It has a built-in strainer with it that you can remove. This is a 11-piece non-stick cookware, and it's on sale. You get a $50 instant rebate for $149.99. And I've purchased my last pan set from Costco's, and they do not disappoint. So next up, there's the Mohawk Home Laminate Wood Flooring, and you get $10 off, and there's no limit on the amount you can purchase. There's two colors, the Ridgeway Hickory and then the Sea Voyage Oak. They're both brown shades, very neutral shades, very nice, probably the ones that you would select. And they go with just about anything, these colors. Well, it's that time of year that everybody's spring cleaning down their decks, their driveways, their houses. Costco has this 3200 PSI gas pressure washer on promotion this month. It's $319 after an $80 instant savings. This is a powerful machine. The jerky treats for dogs are on sale this month, and it's a huge 60-ounce bag. So this bag goes for $6.99. You get $6 off, so it's about a 50% savings. And the bag's huge. There's so many treats in here. So this is the time to stock up. This is definitely worth it, and definitely less than any of the other stores that we go to. This ceiling fan shows it's $120 in the savings book, but if you look here, they've marked it down even further. So it's $99.99. It's a Hunter Express Rapid 52-inch ceiling fan, and it's sharp looking. It's very simple but nice. So these filters are on promotion this month for $35. There's 4 in this pack. It's 2500 series, 1-inch air filters, and it's that time of year where you want to refresh everything, especially the air filters. So these microfiber towels are the best. You can use them for almost anything. Cleaning, drying off your car after you've just washed your car. We use them faithfully. So this huge pack of 36 is just over $13. It's definitely worth it, especially if you need to refresh these, and you can always wash them in the wash machine after you've used them. The Mobile One synthetic oil has an instant savings of $10, so you can get one for just under $34, and this is a limit of 5. I wanted to take a quick snapshot of this. This is a pretty cool car. It's a BMW Lego set for $190. Pretty expensive, but it's a very nice model to put together. This was a cool new product in my store. For just under $10, you can get these tomato basil pizza crisps. They're very low on carbohydrates, and it's cheese turned into crisps. This is a limited edition for $28, the Mike's Hard Lemonade Variety Pack, and there's 2 new flavors. They've got lemonade, peach, grape, and lime. So this is a product I hadn't seen before. It's a passion fruit Moscato wine for $10.99. And I grabbed myself a bottle so I could try it. These are some good beef ribeye steaks with the bone in. This had 2 chops. It's $10.99 a pound. This was about 4.5 pounds, so just over $40. And they look great. So this is a new product I hadn't seen before. For $14, you can get this brie kit, and it's great for entertaining. It comes with the puff pastry, the brie, and the strawberry jalapeno sauce. You put it all together and you bake it. So this could be claimed as your own. Good for entertaining. And here's another new product, this Oreo cheesecake. It comes with 6 of them for $11.50. And these caramel flans are also a new product, $9.79. They come in these glass jars, all ready to serve. And you get a $4 savings on these 10-inch dinner plates from Dixie. So instead of $19.99, it's $15.99. So you save $5.50 spending $15.99 on this 24 case of Maison Pierre sparkling mineral water from France. And this is a nice cooler bag. It's $10.99 here at Costco's. I was a little disappointed that it didn't say Costco on it because I always grab those. They're convenient for shopping and going other places as well. So it's a very sturdy bag. You save $4 on these Egg Wick turkey sausage sandwiches for $10.69. There's 17 grams of protein. I grabbed a box of these, had one this morning, and they're excellent. If you need to stock up on snacks, the Cheez-Its are on sale for $6.50. You get 2 huge bags in here. So this was a popular item. You get almost $6 off, paying about $14 for this udon premium noodle soup. There's 6 packages of 9-ounce soup containers in here. So there's some good deals on the Tide detergent. The large red one here is $15.99. This is the regular Tide and Downy. You save $4 instantly. And there's also a P&G rebate that's on my community tab. If you spend $50, you get a $15 gift card mailed to you. So you can definitely check to see if these items qualify. And then the Free and Gentle is $19.49 with a $5 savings. And these bottles are huge. You can do over 100 loads of laundry with each of these. This one's 152 loads. So here we have the Clorox and the Tide Pods. I'll start with the Clorox. It's $12.69. You get a $3.80 instant savings. It comes with one bottle and then a refill. Now that refill is equivalent to 5 spray bottles. So in total, it's like getting 6 spray bottles, which is about $2 each at this price. Now that beats some of the savings we get at some of the drugstores. Now these Tide Pods are huge. For $26.99, you get 104 pods. It has the Downy infused and built in, so you don't need to add separate fabric softener. So these VitaFusion multivitamin gummies are $10.50. You get a $3.50 saving. There's 260 vitamins in here. Now, I don't know if you watched my Target video, but I'll post it here. I was getting 2 bottles with 80 count in each, so 160 vitamins for $15. So this is about $5 less for 80 more vitamins. It's an excellent deal. So this is a good deal on the Dove deodorant, and you can couple this with a Fetch rebate and also a My Points rebate. So it's $16.99, and if you get 2 packages, that's $33.98. There's $8 back on My Points and about $6.25 back on Fetch, leaving it to be $19.73. Divided by the 8 deodorants, that's about $2.47 per deodorant stick. So great deal if this is your brand of choice. As usual, thank you for watching. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe if you want some more savings videos coming your way. Thank you and have a great day.